Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Oppo A5S has at least half charge and a backup. This prevents data loss. Once ready, power the phone off, then press and hold volume down and power together to trigger Color OS recovery. If the keys don't respond, connect to a trusted computer and run a DB reboot recovery. This forces the device into recovery mode. Keep cables stable and watch the screen. You want to see the recovery menu before moving to the next step. Now you'll navigate the recovery menu. Use volume keys to move and power to confirm. First, try Wipe Cache Partition to remove temporary files without losing data. This often fixes boot loops. If issues persist, consider Apply Update from ADB to install an official firmware ZIP. This repairs system files while keeping some data. Make sure the package matches your exact model. Once the operation completes, return to the main menu and prepare to reboot. Finish by choosing Reboot System Now and observe the boot. A successful repair shows the Oppo logo, then home screen. If the device stays in a boot loop, perform a factory reset from recovery. This erases user data but often resolves deep faults. When resets fail, reflash the official stock ROM using the appropriate flashing tool for the chipset or visit an authorized service center. One key tip: if flashing, double-check model and firmware to avoid hard bricking the phone. Mismatched ROMs cause permanent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.